Okay. We are in the Forest River Surveyor 250 FKS. Is that right?
Yes.
It's a new floor plan. This is the Luxury Series. I like the front window. I think it's urethane in, so you don't have to worry about any kind of leakage.
That's what they said.
Yeah.
First, I like the counter space.
Yeah, huge
I
counter.
love the kitchen.
Yeah.
The solid surface counter space.
Got the Furion oven with the little light bar there. Storage there, which is nice.
That's nice. It has a metal protection too. On that
Storage
the oven.
back here behind the TV.
There's tons of
nice.
storage, a lot of cabinets.
Oh, wow.
There's some cabinets up here.
Look at that.
There's a lot of storage. In this small camper, there's a lot of storage in here.
Show them how the bed works
so
there, Davey.
The couch, you have basically your mini chase lounge. Now it's going to come out like this. Drop down there as long as I move my foot. And slide underneath. Nice layout. Easy.
Show them the lounge.
Yeah, show them the storage there.
Over
Yeah,
there.
there's great storage underneath that. Look at that.
Oh, wow. That's really cool.
Back, front, and you can use
And it
this table.
stays up too. You don't have to.
Oh, yeah. That's not Lippard furniture. They're using something else. They call it the Platinum Series.
Yeah, awesome.
Very nice. Has
Table's
great
not
finish
going to lift
to it.
up. The legs are still strapped for traveling.
Okay.
But it comes up to about this high.
But it makes a great coffee table if you don't want a table to eat off of. It's great size for a coffee table too.
Yeah, we can sit on the floor and eat just like that.
Yeah.
Be awesome.
So, back to the kitchen real quick. Undermount sink, huge window, seamless countertop, backlit lighting up there, which is nice. They're using Asdale in their construction. PVC roof, which is extremely durable. They're giving it, what's the warranty on that?
15 years.
15-year warranty.
It's not prorated.
Not prorated.
TPO is 12 and it's prorated after 2.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you'll have a full manufacturer replacement first 2 years and it's prorated the additional 10 on TPO.
Love the color. Like the barn door.
Well,
That's-
that gives you a lot
this
more
is
room.
great.
You don't
It's a
have
nice
to.
sliding door.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is neat. That is really cool, actually.
Gas electric fridge. A lot of their other models will have an option for the 12-volt Everchill,
Right.
11 cubic foot. This will be a 6, then we'll go 8 or 10.
Looks like they're advertising that drop frame in the front to give you more storage in the front. And this has an outdoor kitchen. It's cold outside this time of year, so we haven't shown it to you, but it's got an outdoor kitchen.
But it's great to have outdoor kitchen on something that's not a bunkhouse.
Right, a non-bunk outdoor kitchen. That is rare. And then, I guess we'll move back to the bathroom.
Yeah. The radio, they've added that into a sound bar.
Oh, yeah, it's got a sound bar up there. That's nice.
The TV has a quick disconnect, so
Here, I'll
it'll
set
mount
it
outside.
right here. And then, large wardrobe there. A lot of storage. And behind the TV, there's storage on this back. You're right, that is a nice sound bar. I bet that looks really good. Oh, accent lighting back there.
Yeah.
And the cabinets there.
Your switches here, the other
You
ones.
know, this sink is huge. It's,
Yeah.
It's a square type.
It's got a
It's
large,
like a country
deep dish.
kitchen.
And everybody loves the stainless steel sinks.
Stainless
Yeah,
steel.
but that's a country kitchen style.
I know there's a faucet on that thing.
Yeah.
Country kitchen.
Yeah, because they're deep and they're.
All right.
Nice.
Just
Move.
kind of counter space.
Yep.
Sleep on the drawers.
Huge bathroom. Oh, that's different. How they got the. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, it's a one piece.
Your curtain out.
Yeah, the background's a one piece, so there's no seams there. But that's magnetic. That's kind of cool. Nice big window there. A lot of room in here. Very big bathroom.
I like the idea that I can be cooking and doing dishes and look out and see my kids.
Yeah, there's a lot of windows.
Yeah, there's
Yep.
tons of windows in here.
All right, move to the bedroom.
Doors, one in the bedroom. I'm not crazy about the window. There's generally a peephole.
Oh, there's a ton of windows back here.
He's talking on the.
You know what's
on the
odd?
door. Generally, if you have a door coming in the bedroom or the bathroom, there's a peephole for privacy. But
It's frosted though.
yeah,
You don't
Well,
ever
ton of-
see
ton
an
of windows.
east-west bed without a slide. I like that it's a east-west bed with
Right.
no slide. And then all the windows in
But
it.
it's still really spacious.
Yeah, look at all the windows. Window, window, window. And then I like how they accented the wall. See how it's a really light European-style look wall? Accented to this
Dark
style
back.
wall.
right.
That looks really
It's
good.
like a dome ceiling too. It's kind of
Yeah, it's a radius ceiling.
82.5 inches, I think is what they said.
And
to
it's
your middle point.
Yeah.
You gotta pick this bed up.
Pick it
There
up.
is so much storage underneath that bed too.
Oh, it's on struts too.
Yeah,
Oh wow, there's a lot of storage.
yeah. There's just tons of storage under that bed.
Yeah. Yep. That is a lot of storage.
And I like it because it's separated from the outside storage and stuff, so you get more protection for your stuff that you store inside.
It's got your propane hooked up. Must have a port somewhere.
I bet that's for the outside kitchen.
Yeah, the outside kitchen. Yeah. And then they're using aluminum roof rafters. A lot of laminated campers will use wood. So when you're shopping for a laminated camper, A, check for Asdale, and B, check for aluminum rafters.
Right. This is aluminum all the way around, right? Aluminum walls,
Yeah, it's
aluminum
a
roof,
five-side- well,
steel base.
let me read this. 5-side aluminum construction, so maybe the floor's not. The floor's probably steel, but everything else is aluminum. Right?
That's what it says.
I think so. Fiberglass cap. Right.
Well, these lights are bright.
Bright LED lights, accent lighting.
Yeah.
It's a great unit. Maybe go out and show them the outdoor
Large
kitchen real
front
quick.
pass-through storage.
Yeah, it's got that drop frame that they're going to now,
Right.
which is nice. I don't think it's a lippard frame. Oh no, 60 by 80 queen bed. Show them the outdoor kitchen. I think.
You know, for its size, it's a
Mittens
great
on.
family unit because you could get 4 kids there easy to play games with and have another chair over on this side if it's raining outside.
Right, it's for kids that visit but don't stay.
Yeah,
Because this is the type of coach where they don't want them to stay. Or they could with the floor space, but this isn't
Oh, yeah, and this is
I think it only weighs like a little over 5,000.
just a little over 5,000 pounds. Yeah, it's a good.
I looked that up.
I don't know what the box size is, but it's a big box.
Yeah.
Had last year's brochure. We don't have current brochures yet.
wow.
I think this is a
really
newer
nice.
model.
So it weighs 55.43 dry.
5,500 pounds dry.
The exterior length is 28 foot 8 inches.
28-foot coach. So about a 25-foot box, 3-foot tongue, gives you your 28 feet.
Has a 46 gallon fresh water tank.
That's a pretty good size freshwater.
Gray's 64 gallons.
It's a big gray.
The black water's 33, and the awning is 21 foot.
It's a 21-foot awning, but you know what? You want your gray water to be bigger.
You do, because you use more gray.
Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of,
Showers and
Right.
dishes and stuff.
yeah, we have a lot of coaches, and they're even across the board, 50, 50, 50. But really, you want a 60 gray, 30 black. That makes more sense. And then a 50, almost a 50 fresh.
Yeah, it's got a nice size fresh.
Yeah. Oh, they got the accent wall in here as well. I really like that accent wall. It looks good.
Yeah.
Against the dark, it's a nice contrast.
Oh, I just noticed this too.
Oh yeah, I noticed that.
Drop down.
Yeah, for the cabinets.
Yeah, it has Congolian flooring. Yeah, I like the flooring a lot.
Yeah, it is nice.
The cabinets in the bathroom are a different color too. They're the lighter brown.
Oh really? Well, let's go back to the
Oh,
cabinetry
yeah,
in here.
kinda
Didn't
matches
notice
the
that.
floor a little bit.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Oh yeah, it is different cabinetry in the bathroom. Ha! Didn't know that. Yep.
It flows really well, though. The colors just flow right
It
through.
does. I need to hire their interior decorator. Whoever did this.
Check out the outside kitchen.
Yeah, check out the outside kitchen.
I like the exhaust fan in the bathroom too. Good
Yes, yes. All right, we'll go out here. Whoa, that's cool. It's got the Morride steps, very solid, stable steps. This must be your override for the
Magnetic latches.
yeah magnetic
Nice.
lashes. It's got your beer
Oh, we need that.
Opener.
opener there.
Yeah.
Your cooktop. Oh, it's got the new style cooktop.
Yeah.
How do you open it? Oh, it's on a friction hinge. And then it's got the newer style gas grill, which is nice. Yeah, you don't typically see that in a couples coach. Yeah, just friction hinges. That's really nice. Black tank flush.
TV mount.
Yeah. Yep, outside speakers, big awning. It's a great unit. So, pet friendly.
Unlocked here.
Is it? All right, we'll check that out.
Here's the pit bowl.
Oh yeah, it's got a pet bowl in there
Oh, that's fun.
and storage.
And a leash.
And the leash latch is right here.
Oh, it's got a leash
And you can hook
latch.
up your solar
Yep, solar ready.
charging units.
Yep, nice unit. All right.
Phone jack standard.
Check out Hatfield RV for more info. Thank you.